Welcome to James Walker's English lecture. Today, we will learn how to pronounce splashing. Listen carefully. Splashing. Again, splashing. Here are 5 examples. Splashing water flew everywhere as the children jumped into the pool. She was splashing paint onto the canvas with wild enthusiasm. The fish were splashing near the surface of the pond. Splashing in the puddles, the dog shook off the rain. We heard the sound of splashing waves against the shore. Now you know how to say splashing. Thanks for learning with James Walker.